In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your chart as a high-quality image. Whether you're a financial analyst, a day trader, or just someone who loves tracking data, being able to save a clean, clear image of your charts is essential. Fortunately, exporting charts as images is a quick and easy process. In the next few moments, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily replicate this process on your own. First, let's dive right in by opening up any chart. You can head over to your preferred charting platform, such as Tradingview, and select the chart you'd like to export. This might be a stock chart, a cryptocurrency, or any other data visualization that you're interested in. Make sure your chart is in the exact view you want to capture. This includes any indicators, annotations, or timeframes you have adjusted for your analysis. It's important that you have the chart looking exactly how you want, because this is what will be copied over as your final image. Now, once you've landed on the right chart, direct your focus to the top right area of your screen. You should see a camera icon up there. This little icon is your gateway to saving your work as a high-quality image file. Take your time locating it if you're new to the platform, as it might blend in with other icons depending on your interface setup. Go ahead and click on that camera icon. Upon clicking, you will notice a small menu pops up with a couple of options. You have the ability to either save image directly or copy link to chart image. The choice here depends on what you plan to do with your image. If you're looking to save the image for a presentation or keep a copy offline, then Save Image is the way to proceed. However, if you're more inclined to share this chart image online or through emails, Copy Link to Chart Image is an excellent, hassle-free way to share with others. Once you've decided on one of these options, proceed by selecting Download Image. This step will initiate the download and allow you to save the image onto your system. A prompt may appear asking where you would like to download your image. Choose a location on your computer that you'll easily remember, and preferably create a dedicated folder for your chart images if you're planning to store multiple files. Alternatively, if you chose Copy Link to Chart Image, you'll have effectively copied a direct link to that image onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need. This copy function is especially useful if you're uploading or attaching the image to emails or online platforms instantly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your chart as a high-quality image. Practice this routine a couple of times, and it'll soon become second nature. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your work with charts. Thank you for watching, and happy